Most web designers start with one-off projects. You land a client, design the site, get paid, and move on. But if you've been stuck in that cycle, feast and famine, high stress, unpredictable income, you already know the downside. In this lesson, I'm going to show you why relying only on one-time projects limits your growth, and what to do instead to create consistent, scalable income. One-off projects, one-time payment. You can do incredible work for a client, but once you hit launch, the income stops. That means you're constantly hunting for the next client. Your income resets to zero every month. You can't predict your cash flow or plan long-term. And if you get sick, go on vacation, or hit a slow month, you feel it fast. It's not sustainable. It's not scalable. And it's not necessary. Your clients need more than a website. The truth is, most clients don't just need a site, they need results. After the launch, they often need SEO and performance monitoring, ongoing content updates, landing page tweaks, tech support and bug fixes, new features as they grow, monthly analytics or reporting. If you're not offering these things, they'll go find someone else who will. But what if you became their go-to partner? Retainers equal stability and scale. Retainers are monthly service packages where you provide ongoing support or strategy. Examples: $300 per month for 3 hours of updates and support, $500 per month for analytics, conversion tracking, and optimization, $1,000 a month for web plus marketing plus strategy support. You're no longer starting over each month. You're stacking stable income that grows. Start small. Add retainers for your best fit clients. Over time, even 5 to 10 good retainer clients can replace your need for constant new projects. Maintenance plans equals passive-ish revenue. Even basic maintenance has value. Offer plans like hosting, backup, security checks, plugin and platform updates, uptime monitoring, 1 hour of support per month. Charge $50, $200 a month depending on value. Automate the work using tools like Managed WP or WP Remote. It's low effort, high trust, and keeps you top of mind for future work. Upsells increase revenue per client. Instead of looking for more clients, look for ways to serve existing ones better. After the initial site offer, copywriting updates, email marketing setup, a blog or content hub, booking or CRM integration, a lead magnet funnel. This adds value for them and revenue for you without starting from zero. One-off projects are how you start. Recurring revenue is how you grow. By thinking beyond the launch, you build a business that's sustainable, scalable, and less stressful. In the next lesson, we'll show you how to package and price your maintenance and retainer offers so clients say yes and your income becomes consistent.